In this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub with Unity. Using GitHub with Unity is a great way to back up your game project, track changes, and collaborate with other developers. It helps you protect your work and makes it easier to return to earlier versions if something breaks. First, make sure Git is installed on your computer. You should also have a GitHub account and your Unity project saved locally. For an easier workflow, you can use GitHub Desktop, especially if you are not comfortable with command line Git. Next, open your Unity project folder. Before uploading it to GitHub, you need to add a proper gitignore file. Unity creates many temporary files that should not be uploaded, such as the library folder, temp folder, logs folder, and user-specific settings. A Unity gitignore file tells Git to ignore those files and only track the important project files. Now create a new repository on GitHub. Give it a clear name, such as your game title, and choose whether it should be public or private. For most personal or team projects, private is a good option while the game is still in development. After creating the repository, connect your Unity project folder to GitHub. If you are using GitHub Desktop, click Add Local Repository, select your Unity project folder, then publish it to GitHub. If you are using Git commands, initialize Git inside the project folder. Add the remote repository link, commit your files, and push them to GitHub. When working on your project, save changes in Unity, then commit them regularly. Use clear commit messages like add player movement, update main menu, or fix enemy collision. If your Unity project contains large files, such as textures, audio, models, or video files, consider using Git Large File Storage. This helps GitHub handle large assets more efficiently. When collaborating, each team member can clone the repository, make changes on separate branches, and use pull requests to review updates before merging. Using GitHub with Unity keeps your project organized, safer, and easier to manage as your game grows. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.